Okay, this is a tutorial on how to generate TXTP files with Wwiser so you can play sounds of every event ID in the game. You will need the Wwise string list, Wwiser, and vgmstream. You will need to place the Wwise string list wherever you install Wwiser. Open it up and load the soundbank directory, which you should have extracted with Diesel Bundle Viewer or any other program. Once the sound banks are loaded into Wwiser, you need to set repeats to auto, language to English. The TXTP subdir will need to stay as the default, and the WEM subdir should be streamed / whatever you want. In my case, it's WEM files. You can also tick groups make multiple TXTPs per base random. So what this means is that for events that can play random containers, so for example, the footstep sounds, it will generate a file for every one of them so you don't miss anything. And yeah, just click generate TXTP. It will take a while, but once it is done, you will have a TXTP folder. What you will need to do then is copy everything in the streamed folder, which you also need to extract to the TXTP folder and the directory you specified in Wwiser. When you copy it, it won't be like this. You will need to use a script, either batch or anything else. I used Python to move them all in the same directory, the same root directory. And once that's done, you need to rename every single one of them, either with a English.stream extension or stream extension to WEM. This is so vgmstream can play them later. Now, you got everything. An example, say you want to play the lyrical assault version of the Scarface Mansion Haste. You can search in the tweak data for the track ID. In this case, it is track 50. I already got it here prepared. You can search for it, track 50. The list is very long, so it will take a while. And you will see music case setup, control, assault, anticipation, along with something called the music randomizer and the actual name ID. This is the value the game uses to change the music, and this is just the ID, you know. So we want the assault. Now, the assault is we can see it is a random event because of this R here, but we don't have two instances. This might be because it is mixing, yeah, it is mixing the anticipation and the anticipation end, which is the like the bridge between the two phases, and the assault. So Wwiser can't make two files for this. So what you can go ahead and do is this is the controller for the random sound that will play instead of one, which is the instrumental. You can set it to 2. There we go. Now you can open this with vgmstream. It will export. Now you can refresh, and it will have generated a WAV, which if you play will be the sound that you are looking for.